Alright, so good day guys. Today we are going to look at very important settings that you must do. This will help you make your work fast and smooth. Okay. Alright, so first let's turn off the Greek lines. So we'll be looking at how to set our units, how to set the limit, how to set zoom, how to set all snaps, and how to set our layers. Okay, all of this one will make you work more smart and faster. Okay, all right, so watch this video to the end. Let's see, let's learn how to set it right and perfect. So first let's type unit on the command bar, then this window will open, so you can go through, then you set it all accordingly how you want it. If you want to be millimeters or meters, centimeters, or even in feet, okay, so you can set it through. You can as well set the drawing scale. Okay, so you guys go through, set all of them according to how you want it, then you click on apply and you click OK. Alright, so next is limit. So you type limit on the command bar, and then they will ask you to specify the lower left corner. So you type 0, 0, then you enter. Then you say specify the right upper right corner. So you type 420, 297. Then you click enter. Alright. Okay, so next is to set our zoom. So you type zoom on the commands, then you click, and then we want it to zoom all. Okay, so you can simply click on all, or you type A, then you click enter. Okay, so next is all snap. Okay, so you type all snaps, then you click enter, and then this window too will open. In this window you go through to mark all those that you would want. Okay, mark all of them, then you click OK. Alright, so after that, now let's set our layers. So if you click at this button, you will see the drop down layers. These are default layers we have here. Okay, so to add new layers, to create new layers, you just click on this button, and then this button will open. Okay, so in this button, these are still our default layers. You can actually edit them to suit how you want it. Okay, to add a new layer, you click on this button, and then a new layer is added. So you can rename it, then do further editing to it. Okay, so let's name this layer wall. All right, so you can go through, we can set the line type, the line color, the line width. Okay, so when you are done, then you close it. Okay, so now let's look at a very quick example. Okay, all right, so when you draw a rectangle, this is drawn under layer 0. Okay, then you go to the layers tab, then you change it to our newly created layer wall. Okay, you change that one. Then let's take a circle on, let's draw the circle. Okay, so you can see the circle is having the color red. Okay, so let's take a line, and when you take the line command, when you hover our cursor around the rectangle, you see that it will be indicating the middle, the joints, and all other points for us. That is the benefits of the OSNAS. Okay, so it actually helps us a lot. Assuming you want to determine the center of the line, it will get help to you simply. You will not have to suffer. That's the works of the OSNAS. Okay. Okay, so layers 2, let's off the layer 0, turn off this button. Okay, you click it, you see the square has gone off. Okay, so that's how the layers works. Okay, all right, so here you on it back, then it comes back again. So whenever you are to start any drawing, make sure you go through, then set all these important settings and create layers too for all element. Okay, uh, so let's say you create layers for doors, layer for windows, layer for walls, for roof, layer for text, layer for everything that you'll be doing. Okay, so make sure you create layers for them. They will actually help you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please share, like, then subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to support my work, then leave any comment you have below. Okay, thank you very much. God bless.